To create routine with when an app is playing media as it condition in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap the plus icon at the top right to create a new routine. This time we will create a routine to set your phone to automatically set Dolby Atmos to music and adjust the media volume to the certain level when you play a media in the selected app. Now tap add. What will trigger this routine? To add condition for this routine, scroll down the screen. Under event section, tap media is being played. Select the app that plays the media. As the example, we will select Spotify. Tap done button. Next, tap add what this routine do to set what will happen when this routine runs. Tap sound and vibration. Tap Dolby Atmos. Select music and then tap done button. Next, tap add action. Tap sound and vibration. Tap media volume. Now adjust the media volume according to your need. As the example, we will set media volume while it's played in your phone speaker to 60%. In wired headphone to 50%. And in Bluetooth audio to 50%. Tap done button. Now tap save button. Give a proper name for the routine so you can easily manage them. If needed, you can change the color of the routine icon as well as change the icon. As the example, we will change the color to orange. And use music notation as the icon. Tap done button to add the routine to your routine list. To see how this routine works, open Spotify app. And then play music. You can see that the routine you have just created is running when you play media with Spotify app. When you pause the music, the routine will stop and the action will be returned back to status before routine run. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.